Good afternoon, students. In this video, I would like to discuss about the consistency and inconsistency of the given system of simultaneous equation. In order to understand this concept, first of all, we will discuss about the consistency and through the given system of equation. Actually, there are two methods to recognize the given system of equation is either consistent or inconsistent. What are the two methods? First is by using graph, and second without using the graph. And for that, we have to consider a pair of linear equation. So let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. There will be three conditions for this system of equation. And all the three conditions through the graph we will discuss. We are discussing about the first case. Now, suppose we plot the graph of the first equation. Say this line represents a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And this equation represents another line, say a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The method only suggests that we must have to plot the graph of the given system of equation. And if you plot the graph of the given system of equation, if you notice that these two lines are intersecting, then what happens? It has a unique solution. Means only one set of solution we will have for this system of equation. So therefore, this system of equation will have unique solution or single set of solution, or is consistent. Now, suppose the given system of equation will have parallel line. Let us take the two equations and suppose the first line represent this, first equation represent this line, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. and second equation represent a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then in this case, what do you notice? Both of the lines are parallel. So this system of equation will have no solution or is inconsistent. Understood? Now let us take the third case. If suppose we plot the two graph of this equation, this represent the first equation and when you plot the graph of the second equation, you notice that the second equation also lie on the same line, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So therefore, when these two lines coincide, then we call it as this system of equation will have infinitely many solutions. So this system of equation has infinite many solution or is dependent solution or has non-zero solution or consistent, we can say is consistent. So you may be asked that check whether the given system of equation is dependent. Then also you will notice when you plot the graph of these two equations that both of the lines will coincide each other. This is what we call it as a graphical method. Now let us discuss without using the graph. Now we are not going to use the graph. Without using the graph only we will find all these situations. And what are they? First, what is the equation? First of all, let us consider the equation. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is a system of simultaneous equation. Then if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we say that the given system of equation has unique solution, single set of solution, or is consistent. Similarly, second case, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then the given system of equation has no solution, or we could say is inconsistent. And what is the third case? If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then the given system of equation will have infinitely many solutions, is dependent solution, has non-zero solution, or is consistent. So in this way you notice that there are two cases of the consistency. One, this is the first one, even if you have A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 and A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, you can have in both the condition that the given system of equation is consistent. But when we use this one, we often says that it will be helpful to find out the value of the given variable, like for what value of the given system of equation is consistent. In such cases we will use this one. So that's all for today, and the problem based on these kind of the equation, this kind of the concept, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.